Hello, all my wheel-running, profit-chasing hamsters. Glad to have you here. We've all heard how fast artificial intelligence is evolving. Sure, it can answer questions, talk like a real person, and even create images that look straight out of a dream. But here's the real question. Can it actually make real money? Today, I've got a video that doesn't just discuss the idea, it tests it in real life. And honestly, I'm already curious to see how far this can go. How about you? So, without any extra fluff, let's find out what modern AI can really do when it comes to business. Let's dive in.
Can ChatGPT really invent a business and make $1,000 in 24 hours? I thought it was impossible, but then I saw this. ChatGPT using Facebook Marketplace and Uber to buy and sell stuff. The plan was perfect until the Facebook account got suspended for unusual activity, and the AI failed the Uber human verification.
It was looking really bad.
But it turns out ChatGPT won't stop until it gets what it wants. And after solving these problems, it was able to message 20 sellers, secure 9, and sell 3 items. That's how we ended the day with a profit of $145 in only 24 hours, which sounds like not a lot. But at this rate, we will make $4,000 a month using only ChatGPT.
Wow, I don't know about you, but I'm seriously impressed. Who could have imagined something like this would be possible just 5 to 10 years ago? And to everyone worried that this kind of tech is going to take all the jobs, relax. Yes, AI is powerful, but for it to work well, someone still needs to set it up, guide it, improve it, and make the decisions. In other words, it needs you. So don't be afraid of it. Use it as your advantage. And speaking honestly, the example we saw in that video already works better than some of the first sales managers I ever hired. Now I'm curious, how do you use AI in your daily life? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep the hamster wheel of knowledge spinning. See you in the next episode. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one.